Wait. Yo, let's go. We're playing a new horror called the Night Before the Blizzard. What the? Hello? Why is the car not starting? What the heck? What the? Yeah. I want us to get out real quick. What the? Okay, let's go. Let's go solve this. I should be good. I never played this game. Alright, let's go. Is it me or does it look like Resident Evil? Or Gatorade. Let's go. Gatorade. Let's go. Sleep. Okay, let's just sleep. No, let me check first. Let's go. Alright. I think we'll go for the night. Let's go. Go. Okay, let's go. Let's go. We're gonna get the crazy. Easy. Yo, what is that sound? Okay.
Attention. This is an important message from the government of Robloxia. We are issuing a severe weather warning for the entire region. A powerful snowstorm is approaching, and it poses a unique and heightened risk. For your well-being, we strongly advise everyone to stay indoors and avoid any unnecessary travel. Close all windows and doors securely. Do not, under any circumstances, venture outside during the storm. Please cooperate with all directives from local authorities. Thank you for your attention, and stay safe, residents of Robloxia.
Oh yeah, let's go. To get out of the fireplace outside, let's go. Here, there's okay. Yo! What the heck? Alright. Flash. Let's see the cameras. Scared. Oh god. Oh no. Yo, why am I losing speed? Wait. Why am I losing speed? Wait, it's cold. Yeah, I'm gonna check the cameras again. This is the thing. Wait, let me get out real quick. The flash doesn't work! What the hell? Bruh. This time I'm playing with the buddy. This time I ain't alone. This time I ain't losing. Let's go. So let's find a random one. The turtle man. Yeah, cool. What's that? Max! Let's go, Max! Alright, Max is on the receiver now. Max is on our team. Let's hope he doesn't leave. Oh, yep, he didn't leave. He didn't leave. Let's go. Let's go. Yes, come on. You can carry this. I don't know what to do. Carry me. Carry. I'm taking out Gatorade. Where's Gatorade? Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Bro, I need more Gatorade. Where's Gatorade? I need more Gatorade. Oh, yeah, wood. Oh, that's why I died. I needed wood. Yes. I need Gatorade. Wait, I'll start. Yes, I have Gatorade. Ooh, black. Present.
Attention. This is an important message from the government of
What's
Robloxia.
again,
We
bro?
are issuing a severe weather warning for the entire region. A powerful snowstorm is approaching.
No,
and
it's
it
cold
poses
outside.
a unique and heightened risk. For your well-being, we strongly advise everyone to stay indoors and avoid any unnecessary travel. Close all windows and doors securely. Do not, under any
Okay, we're clear right now?
circumstances, venture outside during the storm. Please cooperate with all directives from local authorities. Thank you for your attention, and stay safe, residents of Robloxia.
Okay, I know. Alright, so I gotta open the closet and I see him. And flare and get wood. That's good. Let's see. Let's go. Max, come on, carry me. Come on, Max. We can do this. No, we can do this here. There's one. Damn, yeah, so late. Max! Max! No! Max! Oh. Max! Oh. I'm so stupid. Now I can't do nothing. But I can't let it check. Damn, that is me every single time. There he is, there he is. There he's walking. Flash it. Bang! Easy, bro. Go, I need to go fast. Come on. I'm losing speed right now. Go, 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 go. Wow. Bro. They just left it. Max left. Max left. Oh no, 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 no. That's bad. This is really bad. God dang it. Oh no, I need to get wood. Alright, I'm gonna get wood. Oh. Oh my god. I can't beat this. No. Man. No, I wouldn't beat this. Nah. No way. I think I have to end the video here. Alright. Wait. Alt?
Hey, what's up, my guy?
Let's go! Let's go together. Let's go. Let's go. Two, go.
Why did you thought you just ended the video? What, you thought it is the end of the video?
Yeah, they probably found us. Let's go. Let's go, Carrie.
Yeah. I hope this is my first time. I heard you like.
Alright, guys, let's go get
I
wood.
heard you in the house. You said I'm scared. And I said what?
Alright, let's go get
I
wood.
don't know why you were scared.
Let's go get wood.
It's gonna come for no reason.
Come here, get wood.
Okay.
I'm coming.
Let's go. Let's go, baby.
Anyway, don't curse.
No, I said B.
Alright, let's just go to bed.
Okay. Yeah.
I'm gonna steal all the Gatorade though.
Don't.
Oh, Gatorade.
No, I still have one.
No, you don't.
Yes, I do.
Oh, I found another one. Easy. Alright, let's go sleep. Ooh. That's a pretty. Is this where you wanna be? Y'all just so good.
Yeah.
Alright, let's go. Come on, let's go. Alright. The news are not starting. I think we need to come in the living room. Alright. Let's go. Let's go. Easy. Easy. Wait, why is the news not starting? Bro. We need to go over the Alright, let's go in the living room. And we just keep you done. Let's go.
Attention. This is an important message from the government of Robloxia. We are issuing a severe weather warning for the entire region. A powerful snowstorm is approaching, and it poses a unique and heightened risk. For your well-being, we strongly advise everyone to stay indoors. Avoid any unnecessary travel. Close all windows.
Alright.
Do not, under any circumstances, venture outside during the storm.
Okay.
Please cooperate with all directives from local authorities. Thank you for your attention. And stay, residents of Robloxia.
Oh wait, no. We need the fire. And yeah. Okay. Look, we need to get fire and then check the closets and then flash the monster.
But how do you flash the monster?
Use the cameras.
I thought we were supposed to go where he is.
We don't have no flashlight. What do you think?
No, turn on the lights.
There's no. Why is there no lights actually here? That's weird. That's really weird.
This is not even. I heard it's like Western Master, but it's not really Ragnarok Western Master.
No, it's kind of easy. Except with the black thing.
Yeah. But don't get jump scared. I saw this. I saw this on YouTube. I saw this on YouTube, so if you see silhouette over on the closet, don't not open the closet.
Oh, yo, we need to get campfire. Let's go. Campfire. Wait, what is that? Oh my god. Oh my god. Alright, if we get 10 likes, I'll do part 2.